How to qualify for the EB2 National Interest Waiver Green Card application. The Immigration Act of 1990 created several employment-based immigration categories. It includes members of the professions holding advanced degrees and aliens of exceptional ability in the arts, sciences, or business. Popularly referred to as EB2, this category normally requires a permanent job offer and an approved labor certification. The EB2 immigrant visa category is for foreign professionals with advanced degrees, and is also for foreign individuals with exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. The EB2 immigrant visa category generally requires a job offer and a labor certification issued by U.S. Department of Labor. The labor certification process is used to protect U.S. workers and the labor market in United States, by ensuring that alien workers seeking immigrant visa are not displacing qualified U.S. workers. The Immigration Act also created a means of avoiding these requirements, by including a provision for a national interest waiver of the requirement of a job offer and a labor certification. The national interest waiver applies to both subcategories of EB2, members of the professions holding advanced degrees and aliens of exceptional ability. Unlike most EB2 petitions, an NIW allows you to self-petition without a job offer from a U.S. employer. Since most scientists, researchers, international students, and university teachers have at least a master's degree, the waiver provision can be extremely beneficial to the academic community. United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, also recognizes that a bachelor's degree plus 5 years of progressive work experience in the area of specialty is equivalent to an advanced degree. The statutory provision for the EB2 National Interest Waiver petition requires that the alien applicant will substantially benefit the national economy, cultural or educational interests, or welfare of the United States prospectively, because of the alien's exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. The regulation defines exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business as having a degree of expertise significantly above that ordinarily encountered in the sciences, arts, or business. To establish eligibility for a national interest waiver, a petitioner must first demonstrate qualification for the underlying EB2 visa classification, as either an advanced degree professional or an individual of exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. Because NIW Green Card application requires that the individual's services be sought by a U.S. employer, a separate showing is required to establish that a waiver of the job offer requirement is in the national interest. To qualify for a national interest waiver, you must first meet the requirements for an EB2 visa category, meaning you must have either an advanced degree or exceptional ability in your field, and then demonstrate that your proposed endeavor is of substantial merit and national importance, that you are well positioned to execute it, and that waiving the job offer requirement would be in the national interest, essentially proving your work will significantly benefit the United States without needing a sponsoring employer. To qualify for the EB2 National Interest Waiver Green Card application, you need to show 1. EB2 eligibility. You must first qualify for the EB2 visa category by having either an advanced degree, like a master's or PhD, or exceptional ability in your field, which can be proven through factors like publications, awards, licensing, and high salary. Immigrants who are members of the professions holding advanced degrees or their equivalent, or who because of their exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. 2. National interest argument. you need to demonstrate that your work will significantly benefit the U.S., including providing evidence of the potential impact of your research, inventions, or projects on the national economy, healthcare, or other critical areas. You should substantially benefit prospectively the national economy, cultural or educational interests, or welfare of the United States. 3. Demonstrate your capabilities. Present strong evidence of your skills and achievements through documentation like publications, patents, research citations, awards, and letters of recommendation from experts in your field. You should work in the sciences, arts, professions, or business are sought by an employer in the United States. The important factors considered when USCIS evaluating an NIW petition include: A. The significance of your work. How important is your research or work to the U.S. national interest? B. Your expertise and qualifications. Do you have the necessary skills and experience to carry out your proposed endeavor? C. Potential impact on the U.S. How will your work contribute to the U.S. economy, healthcare, or other critical areas? Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website www.greencardapply.com. Thank you.